So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add money to your accounts by debit card here on the KOHO Financial application. So once the KOHO app is opened up, you can do one of two things: either go to payments in the bottom and then press add money, or go to the home screen in the middle, press add money. It'll bring it to the exact same screen. Now, once you're on the add money page right here, we want to use our debit card in this case. So where it says debit card, up to $3,000 at once, go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page, you can select how much money you want to add to your accounts by debit card. So if you wanted to add 20, 50, 200, you can also just go ahead and type in a manual number. So if you wanted like 70, you can do that, and if all looks good, press continue. Then on this screen, you can review the details of the transaction, so you can see how much you'll be receiving, how much of a fee there may be. You can also just scroll down here to where the payment method is. You can go ahead and select that. And if all looks good to you, you of course have to add your debit card. Go to the bottom where it says add $70 will be highlighted. Press that to proceed that way with adding money. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money to your accounts by debit card on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.